Hey there, Rantman here again to talk about these portable hard drives. We've talked about this HP Simple Save, which in one previous video I said, hey man, that is pretty good, namely because it's got this nice little blinking light here which shows you when you're actually accessing your hard drive as compared to the Western Digital piece of shit that doesn't have any light on it. Remember I told you it has a nice little short USB cable. Well, that's good too and everything, but now here comes the rant part. You know, in the earlier thing I talked about how they had this HP Simple Save backup software that automatically is going to back up your software on one computer onto this little backup hard drive, which is I guess what it was intended for. Only problem is, I figured, well, I'll go ahead and try that. I had a Panasonic Toughbook, which I wanted to go ahead and use this drive. I figured, well, good, I'm going to transfer some stuff from one computer to the other. So I'm going to plug this little cocksucker in and see what it does. Well, it runs for about 2 hours or something like that and backs up a whole bunch of crap, and I let it back up under its normal settings and stuff. Well, guess what goddamn files it doesn't back up? It doesn't recognize a fucking WordPerfect WPD file. So it doesn't back up any of my WordPerfect documents. WordPerfect is a program I've been using and people have been using for fucking thousands of years, and they don't figure that that's just maybe a standard file format. Fuck, even Microsoft knows that WordPerfect is a standard file format. And what they do is they allow converters. You can call up a WordPerfect document in Microsoft Word if you want to. But no, these little sons of bitches, they figure, well, I'm only going to back up kind of maybe this, a little bit of that, a little bit of that. And then what happens is you go into this thing, into their software to try and find out what the hell it's backing up. And you can't really find out exactly what it's backing up and what it's not backing up. You go in there on the settings and you say, I want to back up every goddamn kind of file on one drive onto another. Well, it doesn't let you do that. You've got to actually tell it what kind of files you want to back up. God damn it, don't give me these idiot-proof menus saying, I want to back up my documents files. Well, god damn it, WordPerfect is a fucking document file. Back it up, god damn it, if you're going to tell me you're going to back it up. Jesus fucking Christ. I used this that first time, and so I figured, well, I'm just going to delete all that stuff. And of course, that turned into the rant on this partition or whatever it is on there, on this little thing, where it thinks it's actually got a hard drive on it. A CD-ROM on it, and I can't delete it. But hey, man, that was one of the previous rants.